Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Chime account on your PC or laptop. So let's get started right away. Open up a preferred web browser on your computer and go to the URL box and type in chime.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official site for Chime, click on the login button at the top right hand corner. Once you end up in the sign in page, you'll need to enter your email followed by your account's password. In the first text box, enter your valid email address that you chose while signing up for your Chime account. If you don't remember your email, click on Forgot Your Email Address link and follow the prompt. On the next field, type in your password correct for your Chime account. If you don't remember your password as well, you can click Forgot Your Password. Finally, after filling in the details, click on Login and you'll be able to log into your Chime account quick and easy. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye. Till then.